Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala street style beef yuca recipe. Very popular street food in Kerala. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 500 grams of beef, add half teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, half teaspoon salt, add half cup of water, mix it well. Cook on high flame until first whistle, then 2 whistles on low flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for 20 minutes before opening the lid. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Beef has cooked well. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 2 chopped onion, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 green chili slits, some curry leaves, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 3 minutes. We don't want the onion to turn its color to light golden brown color. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for a minute. Then add 1 tomato paste. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 2 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 2 minutes, add previously cooked beef to it. Mix it well. Cook until excess water has removed on medium flame. When it becomes dry, add 500 grams of yuca to it. I have already cooked yuca by boiling with half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add some curry leaves, 2 teaspoon coconut oil. Mix it all together. Cook for a minute on medium flame. Switch off the flame. Kerala style beef yuca recipe is ready. It's a unique and delicious recipe, very popular street food in Kerala.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.